right, so I want you to repeat after me. I can.
I can.
Solve two-step number stories.
Solve two-step number stories.
And represent.
And represent
them with equations.
them with equations.
All right. So, we'll wait for that. Go away. So Linda has $45 in her bank account. Each week for 4 weeks, she deposited $10. She earned from doing her chores. How much money does she have now? So what strategy are we going to use? What diagram? You betcha. So we have our start. Our change. And then our end, right?
Yep.
Do we know how much money she has?
Yes.
Okay, so how are we gonna write that?
Diagram.
We have a diagram, yep. Yep.
Number 6.
No? Do you want me to go to someone else?
Me?
Yeah.
She starts with 45.
There's 45, yep. So how are we gonna write that in a number sentence?
We have like one of these. 45 times.
So, okay, cool diagram. Okay. So what should we put in our start box? Right here.
Let's go so you can practice on your board too. So right on your
Oh, yeah. Addie?
What do you have?
45. We start with $45 in our bank account. Do we all agree?
Yep.
All right. Do you want that? 45. Okay. Do we know the change right here?
Yes.
What is that?
Plus 40.
4 times.
I heard something.
Plus 40.
Plus 40?
Yeah.
How'd you get 40?
Because 4 times 10 equals 40.
Okay. Do we agree with that?
Yes.
Okay. So we got 4 times 10. And then do we know the n?
Yes.
Do we?
No. Yeah.
Yeah.
Does it tell us the end?
Does it tell us the n?
No.
Wait, we know what the answer is.
So boys and girls, at this point in our problem, we don't know what the end is yet. Who raised their hand until this morning? What are we trying to find out in this problem? What are we trying to find out? Gus, go ahead, tell them what we're trying to find out.
We're trying to find out how much dollars we have.
Good, so Gus, how do you want to represent what letter you want to use for that? R, okay, so we'll put an R down there, and that's which one she's gonna have at the very end. Now somebody's ready to give her, raise your hand and give her the number model now. What are we gonna do?
45 plus 40.
Yeah, 45. Plus, what'd you say?
45 plus 40.
Yep.
Okay, before you do 40 though, can you do the multiplication there, Bella?
Bella.
Or who's talking, I'm sorry?
Nora S.
Nora S, don't do 40 yet. What are you gonna put there in parentheses?
4 times 10.
There you go, yep.
Equals. Do it on your board.
Okay, so we're gonna put R there. So
Yes. Yep.
Yep, so what's going to when you do your number model is gonna have the letter in there, then you try to solve it. So see if you can solve that on your own. Think of your dear physics tip, my dear Aunt Sally, what are you gonna do first and next? Okay. She has more money.
Yeah, go ahead. Because Gus haven't seen it. Yeah, I was on. Would you go for the deer Sally? Yeah, okay, this. I already have the answer.
On three, we're gonna yell the answer.
Yell
1,
it.
2, 3.
85!
Can someone tell me how you got that answer? Here, ready.
40 plus 40 equals 80, and then plus 5.
Good job. All right, so R equals what?
85.
85. Good job. All right. All right, so now we can go to our journal page 215. Go to that page.
Oh, I just flipped on it. I just flipped it to you. Yeah, I did. I've done that. I just did this.
All right, eyes and ears up here. Eyes and ears. Third graders.
Yeah, I opened
Third graders.
Nice job, thank you, Jackson.
Thanks for helping out, Carson. All right, you're gonna pick one partner to do this page with, all right?
Oh,
And this, number 2 at the bottom, you can use on that paper sheet you have for your diagram, okay? Is everyone with me? Third graders?
Girls, look at this morning, please.
Okay. Can someone tell me what I just said? Can someone tell me what I just said? To help your friends out, people that didn't hear? Yeah. On all of it, you can go for the partner. But number 2, you're gonna use that sheet of paper, like that.
Yep, boys and girls, number 2. The diagram you're going to use is this one here. So you may use this paper from yesterday. On number,
I don't have that.
okay, number 2. Third graders, time out. On number 1, you are not going to use this paper. Instead, you're going to draw, you and your partner need to choose which one of these diagrams to make. Okay? Now, within these diagrams, should Miss Morgan or I see should we see a letter?
Yes.
Yes, we need to see a letter.
Algebra.
Yep, hey guys, eyes up here real quick. On here, whatever letter you choose, you need to tell me what it means. So if your letter you choose was an F means fruit, you write it there. If the letter you choose was a C, and C means cars, write it here. This first line is your number model with the letter. Then you solve it. This bottom line is your number model without the letter. This is the actual answer. We'll go in the bottom one. All right? Like I said, for this first one, you can choose which diagram your expectation is. Even if you have the answer, I want the diagram here. For the second one, you're going to use this right here. Okay? I'm going to let Miss Morgan call on people. They can choose their partners. So Miss Morgan's going to call on somebody that was doing a nice job listening. And then they're going to choose their partners. Before you go to number 2, raise your hand so that you can check number 1.
All right, Liam.
Choose quickly and go ahead and go.
Jackson.
Yes.
Sydney. Elliot. Quickly. All right.
Elliot, me.
Hey,
Elliot.
Carl, go to the next one.
Elliot. Elliot.
Yep, Colton.
All right, ready? Justice.
Not for this one. Okay,
Nora in the back. Oh, you got a partner, okay. Do you have a partner? No, I have a partner.
The chairs or these? Which
Black hair.
Got him. Oh, guys, your umbrella we're using. You can have one. I'll just. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God, watch out. I don't.
once you make, they go together out of your So, not a choice. You're gonna work with me. Okay, so draw a square. Right here. Draw a square. And inside the square, right on your feet. Right. So your face back to your What do you got?
Oh, I was thinking of one other thing.
Alright, right here's our number. So what is your
We gotta
Yeah, we are. Buddy, look. Oh, I can see. I was going to say
William, you go down to Miss Roberts' room. Who do your work? Go. Go. 150, come back at 150 with your work done. Addie, bring me your paper, please. Bring me your paper. Who's your partner? You guys work together? Sit right there. Do your work, right? Oh, sit right here. Sit right there. Do your work. Yep. Alright, turn here. Alright, so in one bag, there's 2 pieces of fruit. But I have 3 bags. So what do you say? So how many pieces of fruit will go together? 30. 30.
No, we don't, because he's trying to Can we do it together? Can we do it together? We work together.
Yeah, we done.
No, we've been done. You said go. No, we've been done. Wait, where are you going?
What? Oh, we stay there?
How many did I just eat?
21.
Alright, so are you gonna get my ball?
21.
Alright, help them out.
So you're safe, right?
There is three bags, so she won't
Good. Now, back.
Okay, so now write it how we just talked about it. And remember to use excuse when you're Sally, right? So instead of 4 times 6, then your premise is what should we have? 4. She can explain it to you.
Go to my desk.
So, when I come back, you're going to give me a really good explanation of it, okay? So, talk in your group about how you're going to explain it to me, right?
And what went inside those bags? Bags, right? What's our question? Each bag has 6 one bag. Here's a bag. Oranges. What time was this recruiter? What time was it?
If it was 30 minutes
I'm just kidding. But I did freeze.
I know. When you describe it, I'm going to write it. Does that make sense?
Okay. I don't remember.
Okay.
He said he has
So-
a remember Carly? Guys, I introduced you to her. Remember her sister? Remember? I introduced you.
Because we have to do our parentheses first. Ready? And that equals. Alright, good job,
I
guys.
get it so much. Still
Alright.
you're not.
Oh, I'm gonna give you a little check mark.
I got it, Gus.
I'm coming, Gus.
I got it.
Hey, don't look at me like that. I'm trying to look at you. One more. There you go. Yeah, I'm gonna. Good?
Third graders, you have 5 pounds to be in your seats. 5. That journal's open for.
No, that's not fair. I got water.
Fourth, we should have front lights down. And thank you, Jackson, so much for helping me out. And 0. All right, boys and girls, eyes up here. I'm gonna call on friends. I'm gonna call on and win. We're gonna back on, turn it back on, and just dim it all the way down.
Okay.
Slider. All right, first one says Ronald bought 2 packs of crackers. There were 5 crackers in each pack. He ate some of the crackers. Now he has 7. The question says, how many crackers did he eat? Raise your hand if you can tell me. What do I know? Already, what do I know? Lane, what do I know? Hey, Elise, what do I know?
That he bought 2 packs of crackers.
Okay. Worth, what else do I know?
That each pack there are 5 crackers.
Good. Laura B, what else do I know? Remember, this is in your book, so you can always look in your book, guys. So I know he bought 2 packs of crackers. In each pack, there are 5 crackers. Nora B is going to tell us what else I know. And so you're going to be next, so sit and pay attention. What did he do with some of those crackers, kiddo?
Oh, I ate them.
He ate some crackers. Good. Nora asks, what else do I know? I know one more thing. He ate some crackers, then what do I know? Nora asks. He has 7 crackers left. Justice, what do I want to find out for number 1? Yeah. Oh, say it one time. Did he eat, right? I want to know how many he ate. Okay, Gus, what model do you want me to use? Oh, which, I'm sorry, which of these models?
Oh,
Perfect, okay. I'll use this one. All right, so I'm gonna use a C. C means the crackers he ate. All right, so I started with, let's see, you guys told me there's 2 packages times 5. Then the change, well, he ate some, so the 8 I'm gonna subtract. I don't know how many yet because it doesn't tell me. And then I'm gonna end, it tells me he ended with 7. Okay, number model with the letter. 2 times 5 minus C is gonna be 7. Now I solve it, parentheses first. So 10 minus what equals 7? I know that is 3. And I put it the same thing with the answer in it. So 2 times